That's a nice thing to say, come here at the ski station, but it's closed. It seemed alright, but it's not. Anyways, I'm going out there to show you what it looks like. Hopefully I'll be able to climb that. I don't even know if I'll be able to. I don't even have a winter bike, so that's pretty scary. It's icy as fuck. Oh my god. I don't even have a helmet right now. No, seriously guys, this is the best thing. Biking at winter. It's really fun. It works really good. Now, should I do this? Fuck it, I'm going. I'm gonna let that right there. Right? I'm gonna climb that mountain. I'm like, fuck this. I'm not following the road. I'm sorry. That sucked. That wasn't even a joke. That thing right there is old as fuck. It's been 10 years, more than 10 years since it's been shut down. I can reach that thing. That place is amazing. Guys, the breakers are still there. That is fucked up. Wow, that's amazing. It goes all the way to there, and I'm going to see what it looks like. There's people looking at me. See them? I saw the station before. It's actually quite amazing. By the way, that's in Canada. Should I go there or there? I kinda wanna go there. Let's go. Oh my god, that's steep. God damn it. I'm tired already. A rope. Okay. So I finally arrived at some sort of trail. I don't know where this leads. I guess I could take a look. The worst that could happen is I might have to turn away. I don't think that's the good way. I might need to climb there, actually. It's hotter than I thought it would be. The temperature right now is minus 10 degrees Celsius. It is not cold at all. Not when you climb. Whew. I never climbed a mountain at winter. Oh, okay, the ice is strong enough here. Hey, I was about to say, that's convenient. A chair. Okay. Oh my god. I should have brought a stick. Would have been much easier to get on the ice. Look at that. That's the top out there. Fuck. Hey, that's my hand. So, we are almost arrived. You see, that's the top. Well, actually, I am at the top. It was so damn exhausting. It has been closed for 15 years. That's amazing. At this moment, 15 years back, people were here skiing. Here I am when it's completely closed. It's kind of creepy. I kind of don't want to go down with skis because, you know, it's been 5 years I haven't been skiing, and I am going to ski at a place that I don't even know if it's in good condition for this. Okay. Oh, look at that pole. It's kind of creepy. Okay, I'm climbing that. Oh wow, I see the whole village. Kinda. Oh my god, that's creep. That's really creepy. Look at the view. Is that a ski station up there? I wonder. Now I'm going to ski. I never ever did this before. I never skied at an abandoned ski station. I haven't skied in a while too.